In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect your Zeeniq app to your Sapphire account and how to do staking of Zeeniq tokens. Go to your Sapphire backoffice, click on Account. Then click on Security. Click on this button to download the Zeeniq app on Android. Or click this button to download the Zeeniq app on iPhone. After installing the app on your mobile device, click on this button to connect. The system will present a QR code that must be read by the Zeeniq app. Open the Zeeniq app on your mobile device. Click on Scan. Now point your phone's camera at the QR code. On your mobile device, click on Connect. Now, to authorize, enter your Sapphire password and the second security factor, if configured. Click OK. This message will appear informing you that the app has been connected. Click OK. And for security reasons, you will be logged out of your Sapphire account. Now log in again. Go again to Account and Security. Here we can verify that the mobile device is activated for this account. Now let's do staking of Zeeniq tokens through the Zeeniq app. Open the Zeeniq app and enter your unlock code. It is important to be sure that you have an Ethereum balance available in your Zeeniq application for transaction fees. To start, click on Zeeniq. Click here on Staking. In this field, enter the number of tokens you wish to staking. If you want to stack all the tokens you have in your wallet, click here. In this field, enter the staking period. You can check the network bonus here. And the quantity of tokens you will get at the end of the period. Now, click on the Stake button to continue. This confirmation message will appear. Keep this option selected. And click on the Stake button. Wait for the confirmation process, which may take a few seconds. Great! You have completed the staking process for your Zeeniq tokens.